Hi, I'm Anushka and I've been training consistently for a couple of years now. I also create content on Instagram. This is my Instagram ID. You can check it on Instagram. So let's get quickly onto the topic of this video. If you lift weights, you'll get bulky. This is one of the most common things people say to women. But instead of just saying that's a myth, I actually want to explain why it's not true properly with logic and science. But honestly, this confusion is quite valid. When you see someone lifting weights, getting muscles, it is easy to assume that lifting is equals to getting big. And honestly, I really wish it was that simple. But as a woman, our body doesn't work that simply. So the real answer is women do build muscle through strength training, but getting bulky is completely a different process. Muscle building happens in everyone, men and women. But the extent of muscle growth depends on the few key factors. The biggest factor is hormone, especially testosterone. And you might have heard this term a lot of times now. Testosterone plays a major role in muscle growth. Men naturally have 10 to 20 times more testosterone than women. So that means their body is much more responsive to muscle hypertrophy. Muscle hypertrophy basically means muscles ka size बढ़ना. And women, on the other hand, have much lower levels. That means we do build muscles but at a much slower and controlled rate. And even for men, building noticeable muscle size isn't that easy. It requires progressive overload, that is, gradually lifting heavier over time, consistent training for months and years, adequate protein intake, often being in a calorie surplus, and it takes a lot of discipline to reach that level even for men. So this idea that someone just start lifting heavy or lifting weights and they suddenly become like a Hulk, that's not how physiology works. Now, one important thing to understand is sometimes when you start strength training, you feel bulky. That usually happens because your muscles are storing more glycogen now. Glycogen is basically a form in which muscles store glucose. And जब हम strength training करते हैं तो हमारा primary fuel glycogen होता है जो कि हमारी muscles में store होता है and it holds water जिसकी वजह से हमारी body start में bulky feel हो सकती है. Second thing can be there's slight inflammation due to new training. Third thing can be your body composition hasn't balanced out yet. Body composition basically means muscle का grow होना and at the same time fat का loss होना. So जब ये होता है तो हमारी body automatically defined and toned दिखती है. But this doesn't happen immediately. It happens over time. जब आप consistently strength training को months and years देते हो तब जाके ये चीज होती है. And that is called body recomposition. So in reality, strength training helps you build lean muscle, improve body composition, increase metabolism, and get that toned look that people want. And that toned look, that's literally muscles plus lower body fat. As I explained earlier, there is no toning without muscle. So no, women don't just get bulky through strength training. Your body doesn't have that hormonal environment for that to happen easily. What it will actually do is make you stronger, more capable, and more defined. And once you understand the science behind it, that fear doesn't really make sense anymore. So if this video helped you understand why you should not fear about getting bulky and why you should start strength training if you're a woman, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more fitness and self-care videos. मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, bye bye.